Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Glad that you could join me. I had a request from someone that had found me on a page that I'm on. I posted one of my images on there and they wanted the image or the piece, and it was just a test swap that I had done. So today I'm going to recreate this for them as best that I can with the colors that I used. And from what I can remember, if it serves me well, it was just these three colors, the magenta, yellow, and Caribbean that I used, and it made, you know, the purples and the greens and all of that. These bottles, if you can hear that, were from my painting class, and there was a lot of people that mix too much water in with their paint. So some of this is too watery, so I'm probably going to have to put some more paint in it, but that's just why when I pour it out of the bottle, that's why it's going to seem too watery, is because it has paint from that class mixed into it. And I'm not going to try and use too much. So I know I told you guys that I was doing classes now, and I don't get to do them as often as I would like, because it is a place where multiple things are done, not just, you know, pouring things. So they do different kinds of parties and stuff there as well. But I haven't been able to do them as often as I'd like, and now someone else is doing them that was actually at my first paint party, and I don't know how I feel about that. I don't know if I should feel a way about it. I don't know. I guess since I can't do it as often as I'd like, you know, it makes sense to have someone else do it, but I don't know. I'm having a hard time deciding how I should feel about this. So how would you feel? Let me know. I mean, the person is, you know, great. They're nice and everything, but I don't know. I just kind of feel like they went behind my back and just like, oh, I'm going to do them now. You know, you showed me how to do it. Now I'm going to show everybody how. So, I don't know. Anyways, I'm going to try and thicken these paints up a little bit by adding a little bit of glue. Whoop, probably too much. And some more paint to them. And if that doesn't work, I'll throw in a little bit of the matte medium that I have. And that's all that's in these, though, is just paint, water, and glue. And we'll see how that goes by doing it this way. We went to Six Flags this past weekend. That was a lot of fun. Kids really enjoyed it. It was Fright Fest, so last time that my daughter went to Fright Fest, she went with other side of the family, and they had to leave when all of the scary people come out because she was just terrified and couldn't take it. So my son didn't really get to enjoy Fright Fest to the fullest like he wanted to, but this year they went, they did the haunted houses, and they had a blast. Me and the baby, not so much, but we made it work. Now my paints are too thick. So I'm just going to mix in a little water to each that needs it, because that's way too thick and clumpy, as you can see. So, I don't know if you can see it. Let me move it over here so I know you can see. That's too thick. So just a dab. We'll make our paint fab, fab, fab. If y'all don't watch Christine with Simply Nailogical, oh, that girl is so funny. I love watching her videos. She is hilarious. Okay, I think I have all of my colors mixed to the right consistency that I'm happy with. I'm going to do a couple of swaps on this little 8x10 canvas that I've got. My local Walmart has stopped carrying like actual canvases, but the other Walmart just, you know, in the other city has them still, but I haven't gotten any from them. But since I am more about the images that I'm getting from my pours, I'm fine with these little boards, and I've stopped buying like actual canvases. And this is just the plastic that the canvas came on. I haven't gotten all of this from a Halloween pour up yet because I made a skin from it. So that's why I've got this plastic down, just to catch anything or swipe on it to make a skin or whatever. This is the skin that I got off of the table right here. And I just take and let it dry, and then I take this and just run it under it just like that. Scrape it on there, peel it up, and you got a good skin to make all kinds of stuff with. So this plastic isn't too thin and it's not too thick. This would be perfect to do swipes on, or pours, thin pours. Let it dry and peel it right off. That's what I plan to do with this anyway. So I'm gonna do a couple of swipes, a couple of different ways. I don't really have a plan going here. I'm just gonna try and recreate as best as I can what I had in the picture before. So here we go. It actually did really well, and it's quite close to what I had before. Oh, I love that. Okay. And I just wet a piece of paper to swipe with. Do this again. I'll try it with dry paper. I'm going to press down a good bit. Whoop, got my plastic. we go. Well, there goes that heart wound. That's pretty cool. I'm going to get out another canvas because I like what I've got going here, so I'm going to get some images of this, but I'm going to go ahead and grab another canvas to do some, I'm going to try a puddle pour on it. I took and poured the, well, as I was pouring the blue in, I poured the pink and yellow on top so it would kind of just pour in with it. I don't know what I'm doing in my life anymore. Okay, that looks pretty cool. Nah, it's too liquid for that. Check it out. Not doing too much. I'm going to grab some alcohol and spray it and see what it does. Haha, there we go. Check that out. Oh my god, it's gorgeous! Ah! I'm also going to do the drippings underneath. Oh, that was too much. That was way too much. But it still gave a cool effect. Alright guys, thank y'all for watching. I do appreciate it very much. And I'm going to get some good shots of this. And I will show y'all and see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.